Lesson 1, Factual and Negative Factual Questions from TOEFL IBT book. And here there are factual questions and B for negative factual questions. And in this video, we only focus on factual questions. Factual questions ask about explicit facts and details given in a passage. They often contain one of WH words or phrases: who, what, when, where, why, and so on. Factual questions often begin with the phrase according to. Okay, according to the passage, according to the author, according to the theories of, according to the information in paragraph 3, blah blah blah. Factual questions sometimes begin with this phrase: what does the author say about blah 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 question mark. When you see these phrases, you know that the information needed for an answer is directly stated somewhere in a passage. Directly stated somewhere in a passage, unlike answers for inference questions. Scanning. To scan is to read quickly to find certain information. To answer factual questions, you must scan the passage or paragraph to locate and identify information. Remember to locate and identify information that the question asks about. The question often gives the number of the paragraph where the information is found and marks it with an arrow. There is an arrow there, which makes your job easier. If you are not sure from your first reading where in a passage or paragraph to look for specific answers, use the following techniques. Focus on one or two keywords from the questions. These might be dates, names, or other nouns. Something that will be easy to you to find as you scan. Lock these words in your mind. Scan the passage as you scroll down looking for these words or their synonyms. Look only for these words. Do not try to read every word of the passage, but right now I'm just going to read all the passage. Remember that questions generally follow the order of the passage. Follow the order. Therefore, you will usually scroll down from the last question that you answer, not up. When you find the keywords in the passage, carefully read the sentence where they occur. Read the sentence. You may have to read the sentence preceding or following that sentence as well. Read the sentences preceding or following. Compare the information that you read with the answer choices. Correct answers for factual questions seldom use exactly the same words. Seldom use the exact same words that the passage uses. They often contain synonyms and have different grammatical structures. There will generally be 2 or 3 factual questions about each of the 3 passages. Here is part of a passage from the preview reading test and a factual question about it. Read the question first. According to modern theory, how did sweet potato seeds come to Easter Island? But after skimming, we can find Easter Island, sweet potato, and right now is sweet potato, Easter Island, something related to Easter Island. But this time, I'm just gonna read the passage, but not doing this during the test. Heyerdahl gave other evidence for the South American origin of the Hanau Ib. The stonework of the stone platforms called ahu was incredibly intricate, unlike any made by other Pacific islanders. However, the Inca people of South America were famous for intricate stonework. Another piece of evidence Heyerdahl presented was the fact that the staple food of the Easter Islanders, the sweet potato, is not found in Polynesia. He believed that it came with the Hanau Ib from South America. DNA testing has proven that all Easter Islanders were in fact descendants from Polynesians. The current theory is that the Hanau Momoko and Hanau Ib were two of perhaps 12 clans of islanders, all of whom built statue. The statue toppling wars broke out among the clans as their island became overpopulated. When one group won a victory over another, they toppled their enemy's status. Archaeologists say that the resemblance between the stonework of the Easter Islanders and that of the Inca is coincidental. As for the sweet potato, most scientists now believe that sweet potato seeds came to the island in the stomachs of seabirds. The key words that you would probably focus on this question are sweet potato seeds. The answer for the question comes in the last sentence of the paragraph 6, which says most scientists now believe that sweet potato seeds were brought to the island in the stomach of the seabirds. Note that sweet potatoes are also mentioned in paragraph 5, which says that Heyerda thought that the sweet potatoes came from South America, but most modern scientists do not believe this. Notice also that the correct answer choice is not written using exactly the same words as the information in paragraph 6.